Welcome back to our Indian Ocean crossing.
In part 1, we sailed across most of the Indian Ocean, starting in Bali, going to Christmas Island, Cocos Keeling, and now Mauritius.
We're about to pull off the dock in Mauritius, cross the Aghulas Current, and finish our Indian Ocean crossing in Richards Bay, South Africa.
We will then round the Cape of Good Hope, stopping along the way, doing some really cool things, like an African safari. So come along with us for the last leg of our voyage.
So we're finishing off our last leg of our Indian Ocean crossing. This passage was from Mauritius, which is up here next to Madagascar and Reunion Island. Right, we left from Port Louis. We made some good sailing, had some nice favorable current underneath Madagascar, and now we're finishing off our Mozambique Channel crossing. It's been a great passage so far, so I'm looking forward to making landfall in South Africa.
We've been living on this sailboat for 68 days. We're in the middle of the Indian Ocean and we're about to go swimming. We're so excited because we haven't been swimming in so long.
We've heard that the other group up there is seeing some elephants, so we're gonna go see if we can check those out. I'm super excited.
We left East London and we were supposed to go to a place called Naisna, but there were 2-meter swells, so we weren't able to go. So we kept continuing on to Masle Bay.
And we're about to start a beautiful hike to check out more of the coastline.
Right now we're in Masle Bay, and later today we're heading out towards Cape Town. This is our student-led passage, which is so incredibly awesome and such a cool opportunity. We're starting here in Masle Bay, and then we're heading towards Cape Aghulas, which is the southernmost point of Africa. We're rounding Cape Aghulas and then heading up towards the Cape of Good Hope, across some of the most well-respected waters out there, known for the rougher sea state, all the shipwrecks in the bottom of the ocean, and then we're heading in towards Cape Town. This is such an incredibly awesome opportunity, and I've been elected skipper, which I'm really grateful for, and I'm excited to wake up in the middle of the night and do all of the fun stuff that revolves around it. But right now we're in the middle of our planning process, and it's awesome because I feel like everyone's gotten really into it, super involved, helping out, and are all really, really excited to make this our best passage yet.
Crew of Vela, as we leave Masle Bay and begin this passage, our final passage towards Cape Town, we are leaving the Indian Ocean behind us. Ahead of us lie some of the greatest sailing milestones on Earth. Passing Cape Aghulas and entering the Atlantic Ocean before rounding the Cape of Good Hope has challenged sailors for centuries. These waters are known for rough weather, unpredictable seas, and storms capable of testing even the strongest of sailors. Now it is our turn. This is not just another passage. This is our passage, our student-led passage. For almost 3 months, we have crossed the Indian Ocean, learning, growing, and gaining knowledge through challenges we have faced. We have created memories, built a home, and formed a community on board Vela. So as we turn around the Atlantic towards the end of our voyage, soak this entire experience in. This is the last time all of us will be together on Vela, our beautiful home that we have shared across the ocean. Crew of Vela, Fall 2025, I dare you to finish strong, and I dare you to give us your entire heart. We've got this, and we've got this together.
Let's do this.
She wants to move to the city.
I have no controversial hot takes. None.
Maybe out to the country. Getting by on homegrown eggs, natural heating off the grid.
It's currently our last night on passage. We just crossed over from the Indian Ocean to the Atlantic Ocean. Beautiful sunset. We also went past the southernmost tip of Africa. That's cool.
We're all getting so sad because it's our last night of passage ever on Vela, and we're listening to Christmas music, and we're all hugging and dancing and singing, and it's wonderful.
I'm at the top of the mountain. I love this point of view. Endless shades of blue. Hear the drip of the
Cape Town Port Control, Cape Town Port Control, Cape Town Port Control. This is STV Vela. We are requesting permission to enter the TSS going northbound towards the V&A Waterfront Marina. Over.
STV Vela, this is Cape Town Port Control. Proceed and give us a call again where you are a mile from the breakwater. Over.
living in the past. Fear is what will come to pass. The joy is always there to grab if you just let the moment last.
We just pulled onto the dock in Cape Town, and the view could not be any more incredible. We get to see Table Mountain, and there's also sea lions swimming all around the boat.
And the student-led passage went incredibly well. It was awesome to see everyone really getting into the functions of the boat, especially rounding Cape Aghulas and the Cape of Good Hope. And we've got some great stuff planned for Cape Town our last week, and I can't wait to see how it goes.
Yeah, there's no place I'd rather be than here.
Thank you so much for watching. Our semester's been amazing and we're so sad it's coming to an end.
If you're interested at all to become a student, please visit us at semester.com.